so good. It's not your favorite? Let's try another bite because I don't think it's gone in your mouth yet.
I think he loves it. He likes the green spoon.
You're gonna cry. Let's wipe your face off and try again, okay? Let's see.
First time with real food.
Look, doesn't it look good? Here it goes.
I think he really likes that green spoon a lot.
Do you want to hold onto the spoon and put it in your own mouth? I don't think you've swallowed a single
Oh, he swallowed that.
Did that
A
go
little
down?
bit. I think he liked it.
See, that wasn't so bad, was it?
Oh, there it all comes.
Were you hiding it in your chubby cheeks? Don't do it, Mom. Don't do it. Please don't do it. Good boy. Thanks for being good. One more spoon try. I could have made a tenth of this. Look how good it is. Yummy! In my tummy. Don't cry about it. It's good. Can I lean you back a little bit further so it goes to the back?
Alright.